If you're a full-time reseller, a side hustler, or you just love treasure hunting, swap meets are hard to beat. More vendors, more products, better deals, exercise, networking, adventure, and endless opportunities to profit. If you've ever wondered why resellers wake up at 5 in the morning to look for random items at parking lots, this is the reason why. Swap meets might honestly be the best place to resell from. There are more vendors, more products, better deals, and let's face it, better opportunities than you get online or at the stores. One of the biggest advantages is simple. Everything is in one place. There's no driving around to garage sales, to estate sales, or even the thrift stores. Everything is here. You can hit multiple vendors or even hundreds of vendors all in one morning. You can go from electronics to video games to tools to collectibles, all within minutes. The more vendors there are, the better chances you get in finding that next big flip. That's the beauty of it. There are vendors that specializes in different things. Some don't even know what they have. And some just want to get rid of stuff because they're getting things from a storage, or they're just trying to purge what they've gotten from the last week. So that's the biggest advantages. And that's where resellers like me win. Hidden gems are everywhere. Another underrated reason why swap meets are so amazing, it's because it's outdoors. Another beautiful day here in SoCal. Man, it's just so enjoyable. You're not stuck under any kind of fluorescent lights in stores or any crowding. You're just outdoors. You get the sunshine, fresh air. You can soak up vitamin D. And honestly, it's an atmosphere like you're really just more on an adventure than you are shopping. You also get a crazy amount of exercise without even realizing it. Reselling means that you're walking around, checking out the booths, and looking for those great big deals. And before you know it, you've walked thousands of steps and at the same time making money. Another huge advantage for resellers, everything is done in cash. There's no sales tax. When margin matters, saving a few dollars on each item you purchase makes a huge difference over time. At swap meets, negotiating is normal. Make an offer, bundle things up, work it out with the vendor. They're willing to negotiate because that is the advantage of the swap meet. At retail stores, there's nothing you can do. They're already set with their price and there's no negotiating there. One of the best parts isn't even about the products. It's about the people. People out here are so nice. They're willing to negotiate. As long as you're fair, they're willing to negotiate with you. And some may even recognize you if you've been here multiple times. And sometimes they'll even offer things or pull things out for you that hasn't even been out yet for sale. You can build connections, build friendships, and even build business relationships. Depending on the day, I meet a lot of people that I have had connections with because I've been here many times and I see them do the same kind of thing, and man, it's fun. You never know what you're gonna find. That's what makes the swap meets so addictive. One table you may find vintage audio gear, another maybe a rare book, some collectibles, electronics. You never know what you would find. You just have to look. Items at swap meets are cheap enough that the risk is super low. You can find things for $1 or $2 and flip them for 50 or hundreds of dollars. Man, you never know what you'll find here and what you could make out of any of these items that you can pick up. So if you're a full-time reseller, a side hustler, or you just love treasure hunting, swap meets are hard to beat. I hope you liked that video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, make a comment, and I'll see you guys on the next video.